It's going.
Hello everyone, we're Team Code and Chill. My name is Nikita Kondapeta.
My name is Ben Shillington.
My name is Hunter Hughes.
My name is Vigneshwaran Madhapan Chinnasamy.
And we're excited to present our application MySurvey, a mobile application built to streamline research data collection. Our clients needed a better way to collect activity data and mental health surveys from participants quickly, reliably, and without needing physical check ins or paper forms, like an activity tracker. Right now, without our app, researchers rely heavily on paper based surveys, infrequent participant check ins, manually collected GPS location data. This is time consuming, incomplete, and introduces a human error. Our main goal is to solve these pinpoints. One of them is to minimize participant effort, and one of them is to maximize data quality and reliability for researchers. Our app enables automatic and regular participant data collections, timely surveys to participants, allow users to log their travel activities manually, and automatically capture health and GPS data if the permissions are granted, and centralize all data into a single web server for easy researcher access. The technologies we used are Flutter, Firebase authentication, and a Firebase real-time database, geolocator API, Health Connect API. Um, Everything is integrated cleanly in Flutter, communicating with Firebase services in real time. We will now demonstrate our application.
My name is Ben, and I'll be showcasing our admin panel and admin experience. So first we'll sign in, and here we have the logout button. We have drop-down menus for the create user, posting announcements, and building surveys. So first, we're going to create a user. Do user at mysurvey.com, the password of 123456. And once we create it, it'll show us that it has been successfully created. And we'll test that later on in the video. Next, we will create an announcement. Just go ahead and do the survey period starts soon. Are you ready? And we'll pick a date for it to be posted now. And we'll create an announcement, and then we see the announcement has been posted. And this will display the most recent announcements that have been posted. Unless if you pick a date that is after the current time, after the current time, then it won't display because it won't be ready to display. Next, we will go down to build a survey. And here we'll build a simple survey for us to test later. So, how are you feeling today? What best describes your mood? Oh, and we can delete as needed. And then let's do a slider. On a scale of 1 to 10, feeling about yourself. And then we can finally end with a bubble scale question, which is on 1 to 5. Which is on a scale of 1 to 5. And then we'll go ahead and save the survey. And it shows that the survey has successfully posted. And now that we're done with admin activities, we'll log out.
Hi, my name is Hunter Hughes, and I'm going to be using our app as a first-time user. We're going to say Nikki is logging in for the first time. They're going to be greeted by our login page. And from here, they're going to input their email and password. They're going to click sign in. They're going to be prompted with turning on notifications, our terms and service agreements, and once they accept that, they'll also be prompted with turning on all of our other permissions. And then from here, they'll just be on the main dashboard. And at the top here, we'll see our announcements posted by our admin team. In case they haven't been posted in a while, they go for the most recent 3 from our admin team. She can tap directly to display all of these announcements just to get a closer look. And these can be posted and scheduled by our admin team as well, so our users can get those at any specific point in time. And then below here, we can see our survey log. This happens to be locked at this time just because it's late at night and you can only open these surveys between the times of 9 a.m. through 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. through 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. But from here you can see our travel log, which you can go through and input information. As a user, you can also see your past travel logs, and you can also delete them from here. And you can also input information on when you traveled. And from there you can see it saved, and you can display that information once again. And from down here you can also see our help menu. Basically it's just the purpose of your surveys, and then some frequently asked questions, and then always, in case you need support to our app development team, you can always click this support email and that can take you to your local email app. And here we are again. It is now a new time of day, so we can access our surveys. And from here, we can put in our answers to our survey as a user. Nikki is inputting that she's feeling happy today. I'll say that again. We're happy, extra happy today. And we're going to put that as a 10 because we're so happy just about our new app and its launch. And our location is very quiet right now, so we're going to put a 2, but we still have people around. And then from there, we can submit the survey, and then we can see that it's been submitted successfully.
Hi everyone, I'm Vigneshwaran Madhapan Chinnasamy, and I will walk you through some of our background activity and the database system of MySurvey app. So to continue, Hunter, the user, can go inside the help page where he can learn more about the frequently asked questions, and he can also email the support team directly if he needs any help. He can also go into the settings page where he can change his password for extra security. He can turn on and off his GPS and health data sharing, and then he can log out once he's done. Now, to dive deeper into what our app is about, when an admin like Ben signs into the app, Firebase authentication system manages all our accounts securely. Every user has a unique email ID, password, and a unique ID. Firebase also tracks when users were created and when they last signed in. We have 2 types of users, participants and admins. After logging in, users interact with our Firebase real-time database. This database stores everything about the participant's activity in real time. Inside the database, We store announcements posted by admins, which is visible immediately to all the users. And under each users, we collect their survey responses, their travel log, their health data, and everything else. About the security rules, we set strict security rules to protect participant data. Only authenticated users can read or write. Each user can only access their own data, no one else's. Admins have special permissions to post surveys and publish announcements globally. For example, a participant can only see their responses and travel logs, but an admin can push out a new survey or an announcement that instantly appears across all users' dashboard. Database location. Our database is hosted in United States of America, US Central 1 for reliability and compliance. This helps us to keep the app fast and responsive wherever our participants are. Choice of technology. We chose technology because it gave us real-time data syncing. We just saw that happen here as we were speaking about it. Secure authentication out of the box, scalable storage for health survey and location data. Plus, it's extremely mobile friendly, which fits our app's daily usage model perfectly. In short, with Firebase, we create a backend that is secure, real time, scalable, and requires minimal maintenance. So researchers can focus on analyzing the data, not managing the services. Overall, our system makes data collection automatic, clean, secure, which was the biggest goal of the project. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. MySurvey, a research data collection tool built for convenience, accuracy, and ease of use for both participants and researchers. We hope you enjoy our application as much as we did building it.